Hello engineers, a big update is coming up. CCMT Counseling Portal of 2025 have been launched. You can visit the official website of ccmtadmission.nic.in and you can log into this portal, right? The registration will start in due course of time. This CCMT portal will be used for all the counseling rounds for NITs, triple ITs and few other colleges. So there is a set of 40 plus colleges who will conduct the counseling round using the CCMT portal. The important thing here is all the choice filling should be done in the CCMT portal itself, and after every round whatever offers you will get, it will be visible in the CCMT portal. For NITs, for triple ITs and few other listed colleges, the list will be updated shortly. You can see information brochure, it will be updated. Then schedule of all the counseling rounds, it will be updated shortly. Then list of the participating institutes, you can see here. All these things will be updated shortly in this CCMT 2025 counseling portal. If you want to know more information about the CCMT, you can visit our blog that we have written at IMS India, and here you can check, we have provided few of the details here. So for CCMT, it is a national level counseling round for post-graduation in MTech, MArch and MPlan. The channel of admission is through GATE. 40 plus institutes like NITs, CFTIs and triple ITs take part in CCMT for all the counseling rounds. You can see this, these are the important details. So CCMT registration starts, expected date is first week of May. Then CCMT registration probably will be ending by the first or second week of June. The last date of resolution of payment issue is again June. All these are the tentative dates that we have provided regarding online application, then CCMT, round 2 seat allotment, payment of seat acceptance. So you can visit this blog to have more details how the counseling rounds will be conducted for CCMT. We are regularly conducting the post-gate guidance series, and particularly for NITs, you will be getting many videos regarding the cutoff, last year cutoff for different specialization in our YouTube channel. So if you have liked this information, don't forget it to share with your friends and do subscribe the channel and stay tuned for more updates on CCMT. Thank you for watching.